All right, y'all, we back. And we have a beautiful 1975 Pontiac Ville Brougham convertible. She has the Pontiac 400 cubic inch 6.6 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. She has minor surface underneath that can be knocked down and treated, but she's in overall good shape. Paint is in driver quality condition. Let's check her out. From 5 feet away, you won't be able to tell a thing with the paint. But she has 2 or 3 minor imperfections and blemishes. You gotta love a Pontiac. Buick Olds and Pontiac got a little special place in my heart, especially Pontiac and Oldsmobile since they don't make them anymore. You can tell she was a driver, but somebody took real good care of her. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jams on the lower doors. Deck lid. Trunk nice and clean. Extra set of floor mats, jack, convertible top cover, spare tire. She has power windows, power locks. Back seat nice and clean. Convertible top functions as it should. Check out that dash. Can't go wrong with a Granville, guys. Mileage reached a little over 70,000. She hasn't even been broken in yet. Upper dash. She got some minor discoloration up top. Nothing major. Lower. Minor discoloration of the carpet. Easy replacement. Engine bay is nice and clean. And that's the 400 cubic inch 6.6 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. She got power brakes, power steering, AC. In a few years, engines like this gonna be worth a pretty penny, especially with all the guys putting Silverado and Tahoe engines in every old school they see. Let's start her up. Fire right up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollermuseums.com. I got over 100 detailed photos on her. And we have financing available. They only original ones, guys. She running nice and smooth. Don't miss out. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.